Imagine walking into a crowded room full of talented people, all competing for the same job opportunity. How do you make sure you're the one they remember? That's the power of personal branding, creating a unique, authentic identity that sets you apart and makes you unforgettable, no matter how new you are to the field. By the end of this video, you'll have 3 simple strategies to build a personal brand that showcases your unique strengths, tells your story, and helps you stand out in a new career field. These tips will help position yourself as a confident and credible candidate. Let's get started. I want to start by sharing the story of Maria, a teacher who decided to pivot into instructional design. When she started applying for jobs, she realized her resume was not getting noticed. Employers didn't see how her teaching experience was relevant to creating corporate training. That's when Maria decided to take control of her personal brand. She reframed her skills, showcased her creativity, and built a professional presence online that made her the obvious choice. Within months, Maria landed her first role as an instructional designer. The first strategy to build your personal brand is crafting a clear, consistent message about who you are and what you offer. Think of this as your personal tagline, the 1 or 2 sentences that summarize your unique value. For example, Maria's tagline became, "Helping organizations create engaging learning experiences through creativity and proven teaching strategies." This gave her a clear focus and made it easy for employers to understand what she brought to the table. Take some time to think about what makes you unique. What do you want to be known for? Once you have your tagline, use it across your resume, your LinkedIn profile, and even when you introduce yourself in networking situations. Next, build your online presence. In today's world, your digital footprint is often the first impression you make. Start by optimizing your LinkedIn profile. Use a professional photo, write a compelling headline that reflects your new career goals, and highlight the transferable skills in your summary and experience sections. Then, create content that positions you as a thought leader in your new field. For example, Maria started sharing posts about innovative teaching methods and how they could apply to corporate training. This not only showed her expertise, but it also helped her connect with professionals in the industry. Remember, every post, comment, and connection is an opportunity to reinforce your brand. Finally, showcase your work. Even if you're new to the field, you can build a portfolio or create examples that demonstrate your skills. Maria didn't wait for her first instructional design job to start creating. She designed a few mock training modules and shared them on LinkedIn. This gave employers a tangible way to see her potential, and it made her stand out from candidates with similar backgrounds. Whether it's a portfolio, a blog, or a personal website, find a way to visually represent your expertise. And if your field doesn't lend itself to a traditional portfolio, consider case studies or testimonials from people you've worked with in other roles. The key to personal branding is authenticity. It's not about pretending to be someone you're not. It's about owning who you are and showcasing your unique strengths in a way that connects you with others. When you take the time to craft your message, build your online presence, and showcase your work, you'll find that people start to see you not just as a candidate, but as a valuable asset. As Jeff Bezos famously said, your brand is what people say about you when you're not in the room. So take control of that narrative. Decide today how you want to be seen and start building a brand that reflects your future, not just your past. And remember, you've got this.